I was doing. It was making the A have its long sound. Now I want to show you something. Look at these three words. If you hear O at the end of a short word, you're going to spell it with an O. No, go, and so. If you hear E at the end of a short word, you're going to spell it with an E. Me, be, he, she, we. If you hear I at the end of a short word, you would think, oh, we're going to spell it with an I. No, you're not. You're going to use a Y instead, and you'll see a big, long list of words. Very familiar words: my, by, why, cry, spy, shy. And also, the Y can come at the end of accented syllables in some words, like nylon and python. Now, most of the sounds in Go Phonics occur in accented syllables. That's the part of the word you say louder. And often, in the softer part, the vowel is slid over or has what we call the schwa sound. But there are a large group of words where the Y comes at the end of a word and it is not in the accented syllable. And when that happens, the Y is going to say E. Now, as a second grade teacher, sometimes when I asked the children to spell the word candy, they would say C-A-N-D-E. And I realized, oh my goodness, I have to teach them that doesn't happen very often. There's a list 29 that has just a few words in it where the E is at the end and says E, like coyote or acme. The rest of the time, the Y is going to say the E at the end of long words. So we're going to have hundreds of words like baby, candy, mystery. Look at them. List 26.